Hello everyone, I'm Michelle. DIY designs. Let's get it. Hello everybody. I just wanted to come on here and show you guys some of the pretty cool things that I've been making lately. It's kind of like an informational post. If there's anybody that wasn't aware that I have a YouTube channel where I do DIYs and stuff on. And I'm going to now show you some of the things that you can see me recreate on my DIY channel. So anyways, yeah. So this is the display wall that I use kind of as my backdrop. Here, you can see a lot of these items that I've made actually have fairy lights on them that come with the remote control. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit the wall now. And this one remote actually controls everything. Okay, so now you can see it kind of lit up. I'm gonna turn this light down so you guys can actually see all of my glowing things. I'm gonna dim it a little bit. So pretty cool. I'm into lights. I don't know if you guys are, but you know, that's all bedroom room decor. I'm gonna take you guys inside now. It's gonna get dark for a second because I want to show you guys all of the cool stuff that I've been making inside my house. This is actually my living room wall. I guess I gotta fix that, make that straight. Can you fix that, make that straight? But everything you see has been made by moi. Excuse the puffballs. This is my paper feather piece of artwork. I don't know what you call that. That actually has lights, but I need to change the batteries. That actually has lights right in the center of that. You can see I've got everything hanging on chains. And those are all paper flowers. I've got pieces of, what you call that? actually my crushed glass mirror wall art, my sconces, which are not on. I think I gotta change the batteries on those too. But I also made this room separator that I have here. You see on both sides, and you can kind of look at it. It's made with cardboard, some pretty thick cardboard, and those same placemats that I love to use, and I use throughout a lot of my designs. Super cheap. You can see I have my diamond tuft, whatever you call that thing, my hanging bar, I love my Coca-Cola cooler. Here is my Dallas City Skyline chandelier that I also created. You guys can look at a DIY. I made a DIY of a smaller version of this that I made for a client of mine. On my table, have it on a Lazy Susan. It's just candles. But here are the chairs that I also have a DIY on. The ghost chairs. I made the benches. So yeah, guys, that's it. So I just want to say, if you are aware of my YouTube channel, you are subscribed, I thank you so much for subscribing. I promise to keep great, good, authentic, genuine, whatever, all those great words, content coming your way, okay? I have a ton of ideas in this cabeza of mine. So yeah, if you are not subscribed and you're unaware, I am going to try to add that into the video here somewhere so you guys can see. I also have a website that you guys can go on to purchase some of the DIY items that I make. My thought on that was, yes, I make DIYs for myself. Yes, I make DIYs for gifts for people, you know, to better my home, whatever. But sometimes people might not have the time to dedicate to making DIYs, because you definitely have to have like a passion for wanting to make it, because sometimes you can just go out and buy it, you know? I'm not that girl though. I don't let anybody literally do very much to me. If I can do it myself, and that's hair, nails, I mean feet, toes, like, you know, just whatever it is, I want to do it. Like I enjoy it. So for those people who don't have time, who don't have the patience, I also have, like I said, the website where if you see something you really like, you don't have to spend your time and going to the store and finding the items and making the items. I still want you to watch my DIY though, but you could just go and purchase it there from me. So yeah, I think that's probably it. Thank you everybody for watching this short tell-all video of mine, and please go subscribe to my channel. Check out the good stuff I got for you guys. Bye, see you guys later. I'm actually gonna have a giveaway on my 3-tier vanity tray set. I haven't figured out the exact details of it yet, but once I know, I definitely will let you guys know. It's most likely gonna be you know, once I get to so many subscribers, I will then have a giveaway. I think I have like 120 subscribers right now. You know, of course we want to get to 500, 1,000, whatever, but yeah, so as soon as I figure out what the details of that are, you guys can definitely enter to win the next DIY that I'll be posting, I haven't finished the bottom, but it's going to be on the 3-tier tray vanity set. I'm also going to be making some of these super cute coasters that you can see.